P. Diddy is the subject of a federal probe into sexual trafficking, and his houses in both LA and Florida have been raided by government officials. So why haven't any charges been brought? Well, as an attorney, I can actually tell you this is much more common than you would think. Even after raiding someone's houses, charges do not always come right away. And the reason for this is because of the immense pressure under the attorney's office, particularly when it comes to major personalities, celebrities, or public figures. Because they know that when it comes to public figures, you only have one shot to get the charges right. Thus, they're not going to bring any charges unless they're absolutely sure they have a very good chance of conviction. Because even if they bring charges and they eventually fall through and they have to bring charges again, even if that time they have a mountain of evidence, public perception has already changed. And the defense already has a built-in defense argument of that the fact that they're being the subject of a witch hunt. Thus, this first charge has to be the charge that sticks. Otherwise, they're likely not going to make their case. So even though they've raided these houses, they're still in a gathering information phase, which tells us one of two things. Either A, they currently do not have enough information or evidence to bring charges, and or there was no evidence to bring the charges that they thought, or B, they're still in an information gathering phase and are still looking into evidence because they only have one shot to bring charges and they have to make sure it sticks if they're going to move forward.